Something straight out of a movie.
Se se tla moruta go tshela le batho ka nne le poditse kwa Alex kwa a kgaogane le rona ba moroka.
So legally, ha hona hore a ka nkgapeletsa to reveal my source.
No, even if he asks for a subpoena, I doubt the judge will grant it.
And this has nothing to do with your personal beef with him.
Re ba moroka rona, we don't beef, we win.
Mara nna ko a moloi. Fela o ka re you seem to exclude them fa gona le moletlo wa family.
Yeah, we got the other night, Bon. Umaluma go le ba le sika ne ba batlela go celebrate. It was just a small get together. Auntie Hamusiman. What share malumu wa gago ne le nyona kae?
It's a bit fleshy.
Of course it is. It's a classic timepiece.
Bit heavy on the wrist.
Oh, heavy is the head that wears the crown, and you, my boy, are the next Morocco in line.